Hi everyone, and welcome back to another Friday video of product reviews with me, your host Mike. And today we've got a USB 12 watt power adapter and a very nice compact design as well. You've got the 12W USB neutralized, so obviously it's going to be with a USB power adapter, and it's 12 watts, so as you can see you can plug it into your device, and then obviously there's a clip-on section. Now when I was ordering this I was a little bit concerned whether we can actually use it because it's got like a foreign adapter on it, very similar to what you would get in Spain, but we'll take a look and see. And straight away we've got our oh yeah, that's nice. Right, this is quite nice because the one of the ones I saw on there, there's another version of these and it's got, like, you know, the pins, the European ones, but this is quite nice. So there's nothing else in the box apart from the instructions manual, which looks really lovely indeed, so lots of information there. And the plug itself is really quite lovely. It's got a lovely feel to it. It feels very heavy, so it's really lovely. And as you can see, I believe this comes off, but we'll take a look at that and see whether that's the case. So let's see if we can get this off. Oh, feels lovely. So as you can see, I think this comes off. Yeah, so as you can see, you can pull that part off there and it's attached to like some sort of magnet there. You've got the pins in there for the actual connection to charge there, and it's just really good. You don't need to have this cellophane on there, but as you can see, you can just put that into there like so. Just make sure that it has to slide on here, you see, so you slide it down into there like so, and then what you can do is you can put your USB into there with your leads in that, and it will charge away. It's a really lovely design, and yeah, really lovely indeed actually. Now I don't know if it comes with like a little, as you can see this has got like a little cap to it, but I really quite like that, and it's really good. So if we have a look at the details here, as you can see, lots of different warranty summaries and that, and then in here we've just got our usual thing, but apparently it can charge extremely quickly. So yeah, it's a really fast charger apparently, so from what I've seen online, but I'm really happy with that. So we'll get that put into there, we'll put that down there, and we'll put this one into here as well. So I'm really happy with this. This looks really lovely indeed. And as you can see, a 12 watt USB power adapter for your iPhone. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, tap the bell if you want to be notified for all the videos I do. And I'll see you again soon for another product review next Friday. Take care guys. Bye.